Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to create a US bank account online without social security number. So if you don't want to use SSN, there's different banks. For example, TD Bank, you can use Fifth Third Bank. You can open banking accounts online. So here you just come here, click on open account, and then you can add a savings account if you want. I'll just say no, just do a checking account. And then what you need to do is if you are a resident, then it's easier because you can even use your ITIN number, right? So if I click here, apply as a new customer, you either use your social security number or you're using your ITIN number. That is what you usually do. So you can use that as well. You can fill that in and you can create an account that way as well. But if you're not a US citizen or you're not, a resident of the US, then it becomes a little bit tricky because there's federal regulations. So it would be easier if you go for non-banking institutions like fintech institutions, basically online only banks. It's a bit easier to go ahead and get one without a social security number if you're not a resident. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.